Hi everyone. In this lecture, we will be doing an example. So in this sheet, you can see this is a Excel sheet consisting of employee sheet. Like the name, basic is normally a salary, HRA, DA, gross salary, deduction, and net salary. So let me do it. So this is the names. They're getting basic of 45,789 rupees. So let us calculate HRA. HRA is 20% of the basic. This data is given here. Let me color it easy. So HRA is 20% of basic. So let us calculate the HRA. Equal to basic multiply 20%. Click on enter. You found the HRA. Then what we have to do is drag and drop. We have found out the HRAs. Then next we can go for DA. DA stands for dearness allowance. DA will be 55% of the basic. 55% is here. We can equal to basic multiplied by 55% on enter. Okay. Then let us drag and drop. Then let me go for gross salary. Gross being the sum of basic HRA DA. Means what? You have to add basic HRA and DA equal to sum of click on sum. So select the cells, bracket over. This is the gross salary getting. Me drag and drop. Out the answers. Gross salary. Gross salary is over. Next is deduction. Deduction is mentioned in the sale IFO and currently 8% of the gross salary. Fine. Is equal to gross salary multiplied by 8 percentage. On enter. This is the deduction. Same thing you have to apply. Drag and drop. You will get the net salary. We will calculate now. This is over. Deduction is over. Calculate the net salary where net salary will be gross salary minus deduction. So what is the gross salary? We find equal to gross salary minus deduction. Click on enter. Now let me drag and drop found out values. So this is also over. Next question is fill the total column with the appropriate formulas. This is also over. This total we can go ahead with it. I think you all can do the sum function. If you add sum here equal to sum, you want to calculate this. Select the range, bracket over, click on enter. Now you can do drag and drop. You will get the answer all the cells. Right. So we have all the answers. But the see here the salary, it is a salary, right? You can do a currency symbol. How? Control A, or you can do select it, go to general here, home menu, you can find it, click on currency. Can you see there is a rupee symbol here? So one can understand this is a salary statement. I hope you like this lecture. Please do take as many as examples from the internet and do it yourself. Thank you.